Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to edit WooCommerce Order Received Page. Now how can you do it? First of all, log into your WordPress account, and once you're logged in, so on the left side scroll down and go to this option called plugins and click on add new plugin. So once you go inside the add new plugin section, so you will see the search plugin section as well. So just write down here thank you page for WooCommerce, or just write down Woo, and it will automatically start searching for that plugin. So scroll down, and as you can see, like this page, thank you page for WooCommerce. Just click on install now and wait for it until it is completely installed. And once it is installed, you just need to activate it as well. Wait it, and it will automatically reload the page, so don't worry. And once it is reloaded, so just go inside this section called WooCommerce, and inside the WooCommerce you will see this option called thank you page. Now this is basically automatically added inside the WooCommerce, so just click on thank you page. And once you go inside this section, so scroll down and thank you page setting. Now as you can see, enable global thank you page, you just need to enable it, or that is your choice. And after that, select the URL. Now they will basically thank you page URL inside this section. You can add the URL, but that depends on you, like whatever URL you want to add, or you want to add the thank you page, that is your choice. Just select any of it, let's say checkout, and inside the section you just need to add the URL of your thank you page or the custom page, whatever you want to add. Just add the proper URL. Order failure redirect URL, you can also add it, that depends on you. So once you add the proper URL, enable it and just click on save changes, and once you save changes, that will automatically be applied inside your WooCommerce page. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.